Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Ambekar. I'm here to share my experience about the course which I did in HR Remedy India. So let me give a brief introduction about my background. So I pursued my qualification in legal. I actually wanted to shift my career into HR. So instead of going for MBA in HR, I thought of taking some practical training related to HR. So after going researching a lot of institute, I came across to this HR Remedy India, which is located in Baner. So when I visited there, I they gave me a brief detail about the course, about different modules and fee structure. Everything was which I was very satisfied. And the main point I want to highlight is the faculty provided by the HR Remedy was so experienced, helpful, and the tricks and tips given by them, and they groomed the candidate in such a way that we was able to face the interview precisely and confidently. The main important thing of getting a practical training is that you get a very confident. Lastly, I would like to mention whoever is watching this video and having no background of MBA in HR, I would like to suggest them to get to yourself enrolled into HR Remedy and feel the different experience. I would like to thank my faculty core HR, that is Suja ma'am, and for payroll Seema ma'am. Before completing my the entire three module, I got my job in hand. And I would like to thank even Sachin sir for providing this platform for those who are actually interested in to getting their career change into HR. And I would also like to thank Kiran ma'am for guiding us through CVs, companies, and any issues related to classes. Uh, I would like to tell everyone that I got placed in Spaceware, and this is how I'm going to start my journey in HR field. So I would like to thank HR Remedy for providing this platform for those people who are want to actually explore this field.